Effect of noise on feedback amplifier. These are the common questions asked in the examination. Which feedback reduces noise in amplifier? The answer is negative feedback reduces noise in amplifier. And which feedback increases noise in amplifier? Positive feedback increases noise in amplifier. These questions you have to remember. And we have to explain how negative feedback decreases the noise of an amplifier. Okay. First of all, you should know what is noise in amplifier. The unwanted signal that interferes with the desired signal causing an error. Noise is a unwanted signal that interferes with the desired signal causing an error. And how negative feedback increases noise in amplifiers. Suppose this is the block diagram for a amplifier. The gain of the amplifier is A without feedback, and Vi is the input voltage and Vo is the output voltage, and Vn is the noise voltage in the amplifier without feedback. And when you apply negative feedback to the amplifier, suppose the noise voltage becomes Vn dash. Before feedback, the noise voltage is Vn, but when you apply feedback voltage, the feedback to the amplifier, the noise voltage becomes Vn dash. So Vn is the noise voltage without feedback, and Vn dash is the noise voltage with feedback. In the previous video, we have explained between the voltage after feedback and voltage, the relation between voltage after feedback and voltage before feedback, or gain after feedback and gain before feedback. We have deduced this type of equation, and from this equation it is clear that the noise voltage with feedback Vn dash is equal to Vn divided by 1 plus A beta, where A is the amplification and of the amplifier, and beta is the feedback fraction. And you see this equation. From this equation, in the term in the denominator 1 plus A beta, this is greater than 1. If this term will be greater than 1, then Vn dash will be less than Vn. That is, the noise voltage with feedback will be less than the noise voltage without feedback. That means by applying negative feedback, the noise become less. That is so. This is the reason how negative feedback decreases the noise of an amplifier. The next question is explain how positive feedback increases the noise of an amplifier. If you apply positive feedback to an amplifier, then the noise will increase. You apply the same equation, Vn dash is equal to Vn divided by 1 plus A beta, 1 plus A beta in negative feedback amplifier, but 1 minus A beta in positive feedback amplifier. You remember this equation. So Vn dash is equal to Vn divided by 1 minus A beta. And 1 minus A beta, this is less than 1, because you have to take a subtraction of a positive term from 1. So this will be less than 1, or a fraction. That is why Vn dash will be greater than Vn. That means the noise voltage after positive feedback will increase from the noise voltage before feedback. That is why output noise is increased by positive feedback amplifiers. So these are the two questions. Answer of the two questions explain how positive feedback increases the noise of an amplifier, and how negative feedback decreases the noise of an amplifier. So you have to remember these very important questions, that is, which feedback reduces noise in amplifier, that is the negative feedback, and which feedback feedback increases noise in amplifier, that is the positive feedback. Positive feedback increases noise and negative feedback decreases noise. Thank you.